Shango mojube ile Baba o onigualo
Eri jaja Orisha roko emwale Shango mojuba ele Gwaloba kuso.
First comes the libation. Rice, corn, honey, and molasses, a gift given. A call to Baba Shango. Inherit this body, born from the will of Oshun, a child. With smile as valuable as cowrie shells, used it to barter. Buying pieces of each soul he came into contact with hands, eager to lift the burden of another. I remember eyes that saw past the sky's limit. I remember my son, alive, breathing. Living second comes a call for revenge. What else has value to the mother whose child's blood waxed cold on her hands? I don't want justice or kumbayas or amazing grace. I want the axe of Ogun to thrust into your spirit. So, to the man that forced my baby boy to make home of morgue, I pray that on the day you seek redemption for your sins, you wake up with lips sewn shut. Do you hunger? Then feast on your tongue, a worthy punishment for such a snake who sought to hiss words to ask forgiveness. You will not know death, and your soul will be doomed to roam the earth in horror until the soles of your feet decay, for dictating the time the soul of my son would leave this earth. So may your intestines form serpents to devour your insides, you devil. Let it be that in your waking moments, my son lives in your shadow, so you won't even feel safe with your silhouette. That in your sleep, his smiling face is plastered to your eyelids. Let my son be your nightmare and your doom, and dare not pray. Because my words are set in stone. My words, the arrows that fly in midday sun, the pestilence to feast on your spirit. But feel free to pray to your God. Fall prostrate at his feet. But when he turns his back on you, do not be surprised. Because even a God knows not to make a plaything of a mother's scorn. You will not know death. And not even my prayer could save you or make void the seal I just broke over you and generations of your kin. Nothing can keep you safe from this call for revenge. Baba Orisha
Mujuba aye.
Aye, aye.
Baba Orisha Mujuba aye. Baba Orisha Mujuba aye. Baba Orisha Mujuba aye.